All right, this is my new eFast 12/24 volt battery charger, and I'm really enjoying it so far. I just picked it up today. Actually, it was just delivered today. Got this on Amazon, next day delivery, of course. And I bought it for two reasons. One, because I just got a new AGM battery for my Land Cruiser. And I then also got during Cyber Monday, or the sales during Thanksgiving, a lithium ion phosphate battery. And so this charger supports both, as well as a regular car battery. I'm super excited about that. So now keeping my brand new AGM battery charged. And anyway, so far so good. It's super lightweight, which I really like. It's quiet, has a good fan that's blowing through it, so it's drawing in air over here and spitting it out over here on this side. On this side, drawing it in over here. And it seems great. It seems cool. It's easy to carry. It's got some feet underneath when you put it on a flat surface. I've got it wedged in here on my bumper just because I'm charging my car in the garage like this, and I need to build a little platform for it when I'm doing this. But so far so good. Works really well.
Just resets right there. Just resets and resets and resets. You can't change any of the buttons like I used to be able to. Nothing. Sucks. It's too bad.
This battery charger says 12/24 volt. I do not recommend. Do not support 24 volt 100 amperes battery. You need one more powerful. So this is my review.